The financial world is evolving at breakneck speed. What worked last year might be outdated tomorrow. Every day brings new technologies and strategies that can impact your money. Staying ahead isn't just smart, it's essential for protecting and growing your wealth. Today we'll cut through the noise and focus on the 5 financial trends that will define 2025. From investing to everyday spending, we'll give you a clear roadmap to navigate the changes ahead. Ready to get a real advantage? Let's dive in. Grab your notepad and coffee, let's get started. First up, sustainable investing, also known as ESG, which stands for Environmental, Social, and Governance. This approach is transforming the way people think about putting their money to work. Instead of focusing solely on financial returns, ESG investing considers how companies impact the world around them, how they treat the environment, their employees, and their communities, as well as how responsibly they're governed. Investors now care about more than just profits. They want their money to support companies making a positive impact. This means backing businesses that are reducing carbon emissions, promoting diversity, and acting ethically. The idea is that your investments can help shape a better future, not just for you, but for society as a whole. Millennials and Gen Z are driving this shift, demanding investments that reflect their values. They're more likely to ask tough questions about where their money goes and expect transparency from companies and fund managers. For these generations, investing is about making a difference as much as making a profit. Major institutions are pouring billions into ESG, recognizing that companies with strong practices often manage risk better and outperform over time. Pension funds, endowments, and even governments are shifting their portfolios, betting that responsible companies will be more resilient in a changing world. Today, you can easily invest in ESG-focused ETFs or funds with just a few clicks. Online platforms and robo-advisors now offer a wide range of sustainable options, making it simple for anyone to get started, no matter your experience level. The old myth that sustainable investing means lower returns is fading. Data shows many ESG leaders are thriving. In fact, some ESG funds have outperformed traditional funds, especially during periods of market volatility, proving that doing good and doing well can go hand in hand. As more money flows into responsible companies, those companies grow stronger, while laggards are pressured to improve or risk losing capital. This shift is creating a powerful incentive for all businesses to raise their standards and innovate for a sustainable future. For you, this means more options and a chance to align your investments with your beliefs. Whether you care about climate change, social justice, or ethical leadership, there's likely an ESG fund that matches your priorities. Start by checking the ESG scores of your current holdings. Many investment platforms now provide detailed ESG ratings, making it easier than ever to see how your portfolio stacks up. Even a small allocation to ESG can make a difference and position you for long-term growth. Over time, these investments can help drive positive change while also building your wealth. This isn't a passing fad, it's reshaping the market. The momentum behind sustainable investing is only growing, and it's influencing how companies operate worldwide. Don't ignore it. Explore how sustainable investing can fit into your strategy. Talk to your advisor, do your research, and consider how your investments can reflect your values. The next generation of powerhouse companies will be built on these principles. Those who adapt early will be best positioned for the future. Make sure you're part of it, because sustainable investing isn't just about returns, it's about shaping the world you want to live in. Next, let's talk about cryptocurrency. No longer a fringe asset, but a growing part of the mainstream financial system. What started as an experiment in digital money has now become a global phenomenon, capturing the attention of investors, businesses, and governments alike. Major banks and asset managers are embracing crypto, launching ETFs and offering digital asset services. Wall Street giants are now treating Bitcoin and Ethereum as legitimate investment options, and traditional finance is rapidly adapting to this new reality. Businesses are starting to accept crypto payments, and payment processors are making it easier than ever. From coffee shops to online retailers, more places are letting customers pay with digital coins, signaling a shift in how we think about money. For investors, crypto offers diversification and the potential for high returns, but also high risk and volatility. Prices can swing wildly in a matter of hours, so it's not for the faint of heart. Understanding your own risk tolerance is key before diving in. Education is crucial. Understand blockchain basics, the difference between Bitcoin and Ethereum, and always research before investing. Take time to learn about wallets, security, and how transactions work. The more you know, the better your decisions will be. Regulation is the big story for 2025. Clear rules could bring stability and more institutional money, while confusion could slow growth. Governments around the world are racing to set guidelines, and their decisions will shape the future of crypto for everyone. Crypto is here to stay, but it's not a guaranteed win. The technology is evolving, and so are the risks. It's important to stay realistic about both the opportunities and the challenges. Consider a small manageable allocation if you're interested, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Treat crypto as a speculative part of your portfolio, not the foundation. Stay informed and cautious. Opportunity and risk go hand in hand. Keep up with news, trends, and regulatory changes to protect your investments. The landscape is evolving fast, so keep learning and adapt your strategy. Flexibility and ongoing education are your best tools in this rapidly changing market. Don't ignore crypto, but don't jump in blindly. Balance curiosity with caution and always make decisions based on facts, not hype. The future of finance will include digital assets. Make sure you're prepared. Watch this space closely because the next big shift could be just around the corner. Your financial future could depend on it. Stay curious, stay cautious, and stay ahead. Fintech is revolutionizing how we manage money, right from our smartphones. From sending money to friends, to trading stocks, to high-yield online savings accounts, Fintech makes finance faster, cheaper, and more accessible. Mobile wallets and peer-to-peer apps are pushing us toward a cashless society out of sheer convenience. Robo-advisors now offer low-cost automated investing for everyone, not just the wealthy. AI and blockchain are driving the next wave, enabling smarter advice and faster, cheaper transactions. International transfers that once took days now happen in seconds. The line between banks and tech is blurring. Those who adapt will thrive, those who don't will fade. For you, this means more choices, lower fees, and better products. Build your financial toolkit with the best fintech apps for your needs. The power is shifting to you, the consumer. Stay curious and leverage new tools to optimize your finances. The future of money is digital, personalized, and in your pocket. Don't get left behind. Financial literacy is more important than ever, and it's finally getting the attention it deserves. In today's fast-paced world, understanding how money works isn't just a nice-to-have skill, it's essential for navigating everyday life and planning for the future. For years, money was a taboo topic and schools rarely taught personal finance. Many of us grew up learning algebra and history, but not how to manage a budget or avoid debt. This left generations unprepared for real-world financial challenges. Now, people are hungry for knowledge, seeking out resources to take control of their financial futures. Online courses, podcasts, and community workshops are making financial education more accessible than ever before. The world is more complex, pensions are rare, gig work is common, and you're responsible for your own retirement. Navigating student loans, credit cards, and side hustles requires a new set of skills that previous generations didn't need. Financial literacy means understanding the basics: budgeting, debt, investing, and the power of compound interest. It's about making informed choices, setting goals, and knowing how to grow your money over time. More schools and employers are offering financial education, and high-quality content is everywhere. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or nearing retirement, there are resources tailored for every stage of life. Don't be discouraged if you feel behind. Start small and focus on one topic at a time. Progress happens step by step, and every bit of knowledge helps you move forward. Even 15 minutes a day can build a foundation that pays off for life. Consistency is key. Small efforts add up to big results over time. The stigma around talking about money is fading. Join the conversation and empower yourself. Sharing experiences and learning together can make the journey less intimidating and more rewarding. Every smart decision starts with knowledge. The more you learn, the more confident you become in making choices that shape your future. Invest in your financial education. It's the best investment you'll ever make. The returns aren't just financial, they're about peace of mind and freedom. The more you know, the more control you have. With each new skill, you're building a stronger, more secure future for yourself and your loved ones. Your future self will thank you for every step you take today toward financial literacy and empowerment. Retirement planning is being completely redefined. The old model, one job, a pension, and Social Security, is gone for most people. We're living longer, working differently, and facing new financial realities. Your savings need to last decades, and you're responsible for building and managing your own retirement plan. Many are choosing phased retirement, part-time work, or turning hobbies into income streams. The key is proactive, intentional planning. Figure out your goals and create a strategy to match. Consider working with a fee-only advisor for personalized guidance. Focus on building multiple income streams, not just a single nest egg. Start early. Compound interest is your friend. Use today's tools and knowledge to build a secure future. Retirement is your responsibility. Take charge now. The sooner you start, the more options you'll have. Your future depends on the actions you take today. These 5 trends will shape your financial world in 2025 and beyond. Stay informed, stay proactive, and use these shifts to your advantage. Knowledge is your greatest asset. Keep learning and adapting. You're in control of your financial journey. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and let us know which trend you think matters most. We've got more content coming to help you navigate the future. See you in the next video.